Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding your stance. Feet shoulder width, knees soft, weight slightly forward so you can move. Raise your lead palm to forehead and rear hand by the cheekbone to form the primary guard. This protects eyes and temples while allowing quick parry timing. Keep elbows tight to shield ribs. Once stable, use small shuffles to control range and maintain relaxed shoulders so reactions are fast. Make sure your chin is tucked and eyes track the attacker's chest for punch telegraphing cues. You intercept by timing a forearm parry against straight punches, turning the arm about 45 degrees to steer force away. This minimizes impact and preserves balance. For hooks, employ a slap down or inward block while pivoting the hips and stepping just off the line so the punch misses. Once done, feed a controlled feel, light contact, to sense intent, then immediately use 1 or 2 weight shifts to exit or return a short counter. Make sure to keep breathing and relax between motions for speed. You finish by turning a successful block into control. After redirecting, quickly secure the attacker's wrist or upper arm to limit follow-up shots, then disengage with a step to reset distance. If you find yourself overcommitting and getting off balance, make sure to reset your stance immediately and favor small lateral steps rather than large lunges to regain structure. Practice the sequence slowly until mechanics are natural, then increase speed and add light sparring. If pain or instability occurs, stop and reassess alignment before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.